What's up, guys? This is my 08 Civic Si sedan. HFP wheels, factory navigation, and you know what the plus is the paint fade. So common with these cars. All the paint just falls off. Cold AC, working heater. This car's all original paint, as you can tell, even though it is falling off. Just typical HN things. Runs well, drives well. It passed smog today with flying colors. I actually owned this car back in 2017. I bought it from the original owner, and then I had it, and then I sold it to a guy, and then just recently, this has got 216,000 miles. Factory navigation, which is pretty cool. Totally early 2000s. Let's see if I can get that. I think that's an EP3 Type R shift knob, I believe. But anyway, I sold it to him, and then he got into a little fender bender. Really wasn't even much. See, it kind of curbed the wheel, and then there was a dent here. You can see it ranged from here to here. I had it repainted and fixed, but it salvaged the car because of that. So it does hold the salvage rebuilt title from that, but it's still got its VIN tag on it. Show you the quarters original. Didn't even fix anything in the jam. It was strictly right here. So but it runs well, drives well, cold AC. These are great cars. I have one that I've driven for years. They're just a whole lot of fun. So if you're looking for a great little daily driver, something that'll run for literally ever, these K series are known to be super reliable. The paint is shot, which is kind of Honda sucked with the paint on these, but interior's really clean. And this would make a hell of a daily. I sell 99 Civics that are mediocre for the same price I'm going to ask for this car. So $5 grand is going to be the price. Firm, no wiggle room. I mean, like I said, I've been selling 99 Civic EX automatics for about that price. This is a 08 Civic Si 4-door with nav, HFP wheels. It's well worth the money. 216 on the miles. Pop the hood. The clutch is good. The AC is good. The brakes are good. I did front struts. I did rear brakes. I'm trying to think of what else I did. I did spark plugs and oil change, transmission fluid change, a new air filter on the battery. I did a knock sensor and a starter because it's a common problem. The starter slow crank and then won't start. I did a bunch of work to this car to get it where it is. So, interested? Let me know, guys. Thanks. Like and subscribe.